Quicklime is a desiccant commonly used to remove water vapor by chemical absorption. The solution to the dislocation of lime ball press can be divided into two kinds. The first kind, the dislocation of the circular direction, adjustment of circumferential direction, dislocation, is provided with an adjustment disc at the end of the passive gear. First, loosen the circumferential bolt and tighten the top wire with a manual wrench. According to the dislocation direction and number, determine the direction of the tight top wire and the number of the buckle, and then tighten the circular bolt on. Then insert the test plate to test the misalignment in adjustment. The second, axial dislocation adjustment. Loosen the end cover of the bearing seat of the roller, needs to be adjusted, and then according to the amount of displacement, add or reduce the gasket at both ends of the bearing end cover, and then tighten the cover bolt. It needs to be explained that this dislocation rarely appears, and the general lime ball pressing machine has been adjusted before leaving the factory.